Hello everybody, welcome back to Go Treats. Today I'll be designing a birthday banner in Photoshop. To get started, we go to File, New, and we just want a normal A4 piece of paper, A4 document. So just click on A4. If you want to know the size of A4, it's normally 210 by 297. That's in millimeters. If you want to make it landscape, it will be 297 by 210, and we want it landscape. Press create and let's unlock the layer. First off, let's make a square or a rectangle. Make that 130 millimeters by 136 millimeters. Press OK, and let's just make it red. So that's our square or rectangle done. Now we need triangles, so we just get the polygon tool and just click on the document, and this dialog box should show up. We want the width to be 75 millimeters and the height to be 100 millimeters, and the number of size 3. No smooth corners and not a star. Press OK. Now we want to duplicate the layer. Go right click and press duplicate layer and press OK. And we want to make flip this horizontally, so we go to edit, transform, and flip horizontal, and we try to move one of them. Let's move this to the center so we can see what we're doing. Let's move this square. We just want to align these two triangles, so we just click center vertically. So just click on that will center it that way. Let's bring it, we want this box to be right in the center of these triangles, so we should, there you go. And now we want the outer triangle to move to the edge. If you hold shift, it will go to the edge and keep in a straight line. We want to merge these layers. Go right click and merge shapes. So now it's just one shape. Now to get a border, we just duplicate the layer and press OK, and just hold the Alt key and shrink it down. We don't want it too small, and press enter. And let's change the color of the background to a darker red. Let's make it a little bit dark. That should be fine. And sometimes you cannot center it with the align tool, so you're gonna have to do it manually. So you just want to move it to this center, this eyeball in it. It doesn't always work, so you have to just play around with it. Just use your arrow keys to go up and down, left and right if you want. I think it works if you center it in the middle with the selection where it's aligned to selection. I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna group that and get the text layer. Let's write outside of the box, otherwise it's gonna be inside of the box. So we just want H to make happy. We want it to be quite large, so it's visible from far away. That's in the center, and the font I'm using is this normal Times New Roman and 400 points. It's quite large, but yeah, because of the banner it's quite large as well, and we need everyone to see it from far away. That's fine, and we leave it white for now. We just want to move this H into this group underneath, and we just name this H. We just want to duplicate this layer, press OK, just hold the shift key and just move it to the side. This doesn't have to be perfect, because we're gonna cut it out after. So we want to make this H into A, and just click on the text layer and get the text tool and just click. Now we can highlight it and just caps lock on and press A. So now we got our 2 letters done, and now we know it's center as well, and we just name the group again to A, and we should do this to all of them. This is going to take a little bit long, so I would fast forward it a little bit until I finish writing all the text. So if you want to do the rest, we just want to duplicate these 2, so you just select the top layer and then hold Control and click that layer as well, and then underneath, then go right click, and we want to duplicate layers and just press OK, and we just want to hide these layers at the bottom so the HA is not visible no more. So the next one's gonna be PP, so that one's fine. We just name this to make it easier on ourselves. And you want to make the other one P as well. And we just name the group as well P. I will fast forward this until I finish the whole happy birthday text and get back to you. I have finished all the text for the banner, so we spell happy birthday. You could have another bigger one, so let's make a duplicate of the last layer. Just duplicate, press OK, and let's hide the out 2, and let's make this number 2 for 2 years old. And just right click, just double click and press this right number 2 in the group. We just want to rotate this whole group. Just hold the shift key and just rotate, so it will snap to 90 degrees. Just want to put it in the center and press enter. Now we want to make it a little bit bigger, so we just want to hold the Alt key and press enter. So that's our mains of the banner done. Now we need to save it, and this is the long part you have to wait, so you have to save it one by one. So you have to click the icon and then save it, then unhide it and then save it. So I will save it and get back to you. I'll be saving it in PDF format. As you can see, I have got all the PDF files in one folder. So the HA, This is how it looks, and all of them look like that. So if you go to PP, so it will fit in one A4 piece of paper, and I'll show you after we printed it how it looks and what to do next. After you have printed the banner, it looks something like this, and now we just need to laminate it so it's more strong and it will last a bit longer, and it'll be more a little bit more heavier. I've just printed it on normal copy paper. You can easily print it on card to make it more stronger, but I'm just gonna laminate this. Let's get a laminating pouch. Let's open it up and just put it in. I'll have all these items linked in the description, so you know where to find them. Just line it up to the edge. It doesn't have to be perfect, so you don't have to make it edge to edge perfect, because with this at the end we're going to cut it out anyway. I'll just get my laminator. Just laminate this and make sure the closed side is going inwards, not the outside, because this will unravel sometimes in the laminator and cause problems. Put that in. Wait for it to laminate. As you can see, the lamination is done. I've laminated the rest of them off camera, so all of them are here. So we got AY, IT, the number 2, the PP, HD, YB, HA. That should be all of them. Now we just need to cut them out. I'll just cut them off cameras and show you how it comes out. After you have cut them, they should look like this. I have cut all of them to size, even the big number 2. Now all we need to do is just to hole punch them. Let's get the hole punch. Just center it the best as you can. There you go. My hole punch isn't that good. Or I can use this. There you go. Do the same on the other small ones. Just line up that one. There you go. They should all like this. I'll do all of them like that and show you when it's done. After you have hole punched all of your banners, just get any kind of foil you like. I just cut mine from a big banner, gold color ribbon. Sorry. I'm just gonna put it through here. H. You're gonna just do this for all of them like that, and you can straighten it up, or you could even just use normal strings just to hang it up. It doesn't have to be a gold ribbon. I'm just gonna continue doing this and show you the finished product. After you have put the ribbon on, this is how it will look like on the wall. As you can see, I missed one letter, and that's the letter R. And I've added an N and a D. This is how it will look at the end. You can make it anything you want, like happy anniversary. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.